Chappy's Tiki Bar. This episode I'm going to make a jungle bird, and then for Appies with Chappy by the lake we have fried wontons, and I'm going to make an apple pear martini. So sit back, relax, grab a drink, and join me, my little dog Mookie, for a beverage. Chappy's Tiki Bar now has a second location, little place I like to call the internet.
Aloha and welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. Today I'm going to start out by making a jungle bird, so I'll get right to it. So I got my trusty cocktail shaker. Now this is typically a blended drink, but there's nowhere to plug it on, in my blender on the beach. So this is going to be a shaken drink. So here we go, jungle bird. 2 ounces of pineapple juice, ½ ounce of fresh lime, ½ ounce of demerara syrup. So this is just a simple syrup that I made with demerara sugar. 3/4 ounce of Campari, and it says 1½ ounces of black blended rum. I have a dark rum, some Captain Morgan's. That'll be a good substitute. We're gonna give it a shaky. And that's a jungle bird. Coming up next, Appies with Chappy by the lake.
Appies with Chappy by the lake.
Aloha, welcome to Appies with Chappy by the lake. Today we got some fried wontons. And to go with it, I'm going to make an apple pear martini. Got my cocktail shaker, we'll go a little ice. Some homemade cinnamon simple syrup. Check out my Chicago episode where I make this exact cinnamon syrup. So just a dash of that. Some pear juice. I have a pear liqueur from Hungary. Sort of bright orange. Ooh, it's strong. And apple brandy. You're gonna give that a shake. And then I have a slice of apple for a garnish. Make sure you put your apples that you want to use for garnish in acidulated water or just water with lemon so they don't turn brown. That's my apple pear martini with fried wontons. Thanks for watching another edition of Chappy's Tiki Bar. Make sure you hit the subscribe button below and give me a like if you like the video. This is Chappy saying life is hard. That's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar.